Hello everyone, this is Preetham Shah and welcome to our YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. So today in this Azure real-time scenario videos, we will try to learn how to implement slowly changing dimension or means SCD type 1. Okay, so what is SCD type 1? Basically, whenever your data will get changed, already existing data, that the changed data will be replaced. Okay, the updated data will be replaced. So basically we'll try to understand the requirements. Okay, so what is SCD type 1 in code level? If you want to understand, you can go to our this playlist where PySpark real time scenario. Okay, so here already I have explained the theory and also shown the practical. The SCD type 1 means the upsert, and SCD type 2 using the Delta Lake that I have shown. You can go through, or I will give you the link. Both is 30 minutes video. All the details I have shared here. You can go through. I will give the link of this video in this video's I button. Okay, and here let's try to understand the requirements. So we have the sync path here, a SQL database where we have data over employee ID 1 and 2, Rahul Raj, who is to stay in Mumbai and Pune. The age is 21, 20, 51. Okay, but here we have source file, updated data, Rahul and Raj's data, which is Kolkata, Delhi. Okay, and now Rahul stay in Kolkata, Raj stay in Delhi. Okay, so here what we'll do, and their age is 23 to 55. So for Rahul and Raj, the data, whatever data we have already exist, that will be basically replaced. Okay, the updated data will be replaced and data will be updated for employee ID 1 and 2. But for 3, 4 and 5, it is new data, so it will just get inserted in the DB. Okay, so this is the requirements. So for this, first we will create one data flow. So this is called the SCD type 1 basically. So we'll create one data flow where we'll take one source, and in source we'll first create the data set for connecting our source data. So here DS employees. Okay, the link service already I have created in my previous video, during my previous videos. So that I will use here. If you have not seen, you can go through that first. You will able to understand how to create the link service and how to create the SQL link service that I will show in my other video. Okay, which is so that is that will be in our PySpark, not PySpark, in ADF playlist. In this playlist you will get it, the how to create a linked list for SQL database. Okay, so that is little bit tricky to establish the connection that I have already I will show you in that video. Okay, so let's go. So if we will see, try to see the data, if we will go to inspect, so here all the things are in string. First we will change it. Employee ID would be in, so employee ID would be in integer, and age also would be in integer. And next what I will do, so this is the data. You can see all are in insert mode. Okay, so we will change it to the upsert mode. Okay, so basically for that, for alter row, for each and every row we'll perform this upsert. So that's why we'll take this condition. Whenever input and output will be matched, the data will be upsorted. Okay, that's why 1 equals to 1 we have taken. And here you can see the type. If you want to see preview, if you will preview the data, we will able to see for each and every row the upsert. This upsert, it has taken, upsert condition has taken. Okay, now if I'll take my sync path, here. So here the sync is the sync path SQL DB already I have taken. We'll try to see the connection. So meanwhile, let's go. We'll select this upsert, allow upsert. Okay, we'll not use the allow insert. Okay, and after that, for based on employee ID, we will do these things. And mapping, auto mapping will remove employee ID, employee name, age, city. Okay, everything is fine. And next in inspect, you can see data mapping is correct. In preview, if you want able to see the data, connection successfully established. You can see the Rahul's data is getting changed. Rahul used for in our DB, Rahul is to stay in Mumbai and Raj is to stay Pune. Their age is 2151, but here you can see 2355 and Kolkata, Delhi. Rahul, and for Rahul is for Kolkata, Raj is for Delhi. Okay, and rest of the three data has been inserted. Okay, so this is the preview, but in data it has not happened yet. Okay, has not happened. So that's why we need to take one pipeline and we need to run this data flow. So take if I'll drag and drop this data flow here and we'll debug. It is running. Let the run complete. So pipeline successfully run. So let's go and once again running the query. So you can see the data got updated and the rest of the employee ID 345 got inserted. So this is the SCD type 1. So SCD type 1, basically the history data will not store in this process. Only the updated data will get inserted and the new data also will get inserted. Okay, so I think you have understood the concept. Okay, if you have any kind of doubt, you can directly reach out to me via Topmate or via LinkedIn. Okay, yeah, via Topmate, if you want to reach out to me, there is nothing you need to pay. Okay, all the services are free. And if you still have not joined our Telegram channel, you can I would recommend you to join the channel, because daily basis channel update, the channel data update, whatever content we used to publish. And there are many updates we used to give via Telegram channel. Okay, you can follow me in Instagram also. All the details link have been given in the video description. Okay, and uh, if you still have not subscribed our YouTube channel, I would recommend you to subscribe our YouTube channel and join our community, uh, because daily basis we used to arrange quiz. Okay, you guys, if you want to participate, you can participate in our quiz. Okay, and try to gather the knowledge. Okay, so and if you are new in data engineering, I would recommend you to go through our playlist. This is for PySpark. This, if you are preparing for interview, these two will be like a bible for you guys, I can tell you. All kind of scenario I have discussed here. This is the company basis, which company used to ask which kind of question, mm, and that I have discussed here. This is the scenario based interview question. This is the SQL interview question. Okay, so you can go through that. Okay, so thank you for watching our video. Stay tuned with us. Bye.